Meaning of dogleg.
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 Dogleg. The term dogleg is typically used to describe a sharp bend or turn in a road, pipeline, or other linear structure that resembles the shape of a dog's hind leg. This type of bend can cause problems for engineers and designers because it can create inefficiencies or bottlenecks in systems, particularly if they are carrying fluid or gas. The term can also be used colloquially to describe an awkward or uncomfortable position or maneuver, such as a golfer having to make a shot from an awkward angle around trees or other obstacles on the course.